It's very, very, very simple to make this Caesar salad. Hola amigos, welcome. If it's your first time, welcome. My name is Ulysses, and today's video we're gonna make one Caesar salad, the ultimate Caesar salad. Oh my god, I think with this light that I'm spilling just was a little bit, one drop. Oh my god, it feels so horrible. If you don't know me, my name is Ulysses Cruz. I'm a professional chef with 10 years of experience and the last 5 years doing plant-based cuisine. So today's video, then we're going to make the Caesar dressing. 8 ingredients, 7 to 8 ingredients, the Rommaine lettuce, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and croutons. If you don't have croutons, tortilla strips, a little bit of toasted or roasted nuts, and I recommend you some flowers, it's good, works well, and a little bit of crunchy, some chickpeas. I don't have croutons, but I have bread. And it's not a big deal to make croutons. So I'm gonna cut it, I'm gonna toast it in olive oil, seasoning, and that's it. You're gonna love it. So please amigos, tell me in the comments what would you like to see on the next videos. Tell me, and also you're gonna make me more happy if you hit like on this video or share with someone else. Please, I'm pretty sure that you're subscribed. If you're not, why not? So amigos, let's do this ultimate Caesar. So amigos, before I start and make your dressing, just please be careful. Just wash your salad. I mean, yes, just wash your greens. Oh, no, and cut it. Or also you can cut it and wash it later. So this is completely optional. Just I'm trying to remind you that all the time you need to wash your veggies. And also, what else? So I'm saying this because right now I already washed my romaine lettuce, and right now it's drying. If you already noticed, it's right here a little bit of water, baby. So let's make our dressing. So for the dressing, half cup of cashews, a quarter cup of water. Oh no, yes, water. I'm gonna use a little bit more later, but it's good to start with a little. Then 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay, I'm gonna start with 1 table, half table of miso paste. Just a little bit. I hate this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get out. Finally. What else? 1 table of soy sauce. Look at this. I'm gonna use umami sauce. Beautiful. So a quarter of teaspoon of garlic. Ay. And also the same amount with nutty powder or nutty flakes. So in case that I need a little bit more or is to like this kind of seasoning, just I'm gonna add it a little bit more. That's why I'm started with a little bit, and this is completely optional. You can charge it with more or, and this is happening the same with the water. That's why some people prefer to water the dressing because they're gonna toast it, and also others they prefer a little bit of thick texture. So just remember this amigos, when you're blending anything, how I'm using this kind of ninja blender and everything should be in there. I'm gonna add it right now the olive oil, but also if you have the other kind of blenders, when you can add it while it's running, it's better. And blend it. So something I really like it is just blend one time first and also see how it's going everything. In case that this too dry or is too heavy. Like, it smells good. Like right now. So I'm gonna add it now the second time, the olive oil or even more water. So for olive oil, a quarter of cup. You know how much is 4 tables. Una table, 2 tables, 3 tables. Look at this beauty. Is this what I say? Is this what I say? All the time you're being in trouble? Or please don't stuck on something like this. If you really notice, it's too heavy and there is not so many water. So right now is how I say before. Just I start with a little bit of water. And right now it's time to add a little bit more. Perfecto! Let's see how it's going. Wow, it smells amazing. Amigos, do your dressing. Even if you don't want to make it for you or you don't have the salad, I mean your greens, your lettuce, you can make it and save it. Save it. You can save it until 5 days, 5 to 7 days, until 1 week. So you know how to make that dressing now. So then amigos, right now it's time to make your croutons. A little bit of bread right here. And also I'm gonna cut it. Small pieces. Amigos, just try to cut at the same size, otherwise it's not gonna cook evenly. Okay. Saucepan, medium high heat, olive oil, something like 2 tablespoons. Wait a little bit until this is hot. So amigos, right now then it's hot. Throw your bread. Give it a quickly toast. And a little bit of seasoning, salt and black pepper. Over all. And salt. And sometimes it's optional other kind of seasoning. This is all purpose, but I mean, it's optional, it's not necessary. Just toast it and toast it something between 4 to 6 minutes. So then amigos, let's see how it's going, everything right here. Look at this beauty. I already added a little bit of Parmesan cheese. That looks pretty amigos, looks pretty. So then amigos, right now it's time to cut our lettuce. Okay. This looks pretty. So amigos, just chop your lettuce. So just I'm gonna chop it a little bit. A small bite. You know, it shouldn't be perfect. Just be careful, amigos. Just don't cut yourself. And also something that I don't really like it, this part is too hard sometimes. Is enough for one salad? Yes! So I have a little bit more right here, I'm gonna cut it. Yes, amigos, looks pretty. Everything looks pretty. So right now it's time to season it a little bit. Something that I recommend you, something that I really recommend you. Amigos, please, salt all the time to your greens. Yes, amigos, salt and lemon juice. Toast it well. Right. Left. Let's do the right. So then amigos, once you already toasted and added a little bit of salt and lemon juice, just make sure that you coated everything very well, and right now it's time to toast it with your dressing. Yes, with your dressing. Órale, look at this. So I'm gonna save a little bit for later. So then, amigos, look at this beauty. Looks amazing, and it's very, very simple, amigos. For sure, it should be very, very delicious. You're gonna love it. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. I'm missing something. What? Bit of Parmesan on top. There we go. How to make one Caesar salad. And also, it's completely optional, the nutty flakes, nutty powder. Amigos, I'm done with this. I'm pretty sure that you're gonna love it. Actually, I'm gonna show you. It's very, very, very simple to make this Caesar salad. So, amigos, I'm done with this recipe. I'm pretty sure that you're going to love it. The croutons are amazing, and the dressing by itself, it's amazing also. Thank you. See you soon. Peace and love. Love your ultimate Caesar salad. Oh my god. Where is